Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel. I am Ajit Lole, Assistant Professor, Yashwantrao Chavan, College of Science, Karad. This lecture is for BSc second year student. Today I will discuss about Deccan Trap. So let's start the lecture. Deccan Trap. At the close of the Cretaceous period, peninsula experienced the volcanic activity on large scale. Tremendous amount of lava poured out through fissures spread over wide areas, forming thousands of feet of formation known as Deccan Trap. They are also called or identified on account of their step-like appearance in the field. Distribution: it occupies an area of 2 lakh square miles, covering a large part of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Karnataka. They have previously extended over still wider areas than present, but they were denuded after their formation. Thickness: the maximum thickness of Deccan Traps must be as much as 10,000 feet near Bombay, and it thins out towards east, and its thickness varies further at Amarkantals, the eastern limit of the trap, 15 to 20 feet up to 100 feet or more. They are horizontal excepting near Bombay, where they are tilted by about 5 degrees towards sea. Let's tell about petrology. The petrology of Deccan Trap is quite uniform throughout the most common rocks as basalt, with a mean density of 2.9 gram per cc. The only variation is in its color and texture. Only variation is in its color and texture. The color varies from grayish green to black, and texture from homogeneous crystalline to somewhat coarse grained rock. The top of each flow is often vesicular. The base of each flow may show pipe structure. Columnar jointing is a very common feature. Generally, the two successive lava flows are separated by a layer of red bowl in between. The basalt exhibit tendency to spheroidal weathering. The secondary mineral deposited in cavities are numerous. The most common amongst them are silica, zeolites and calcite. About petrography: in microscopic characters, the rocks of the Deccan Traps are microscopic characters. The rocks of Deccan Trap is agate basalt, commonly free from olivine, which may be locally abundant at some places. The bulk of the rock found consists of the fine grained mixture of agate and plagioclase. The porphyritic texture is not as common. Magnetite is abundantly disseminated through the ground mass. In some cases, the peculiar amorphous isotropic product palagonite is seen filling the cavities of the rocks. Stratigraphy: the following table shows the stratigraphic relation of flow amongst themselves with the overlying and underlying rocks. See about the stratigraphy. Deccan Trap is divided into 3: upper trap, middle trap and lower trap. Upper trap is about 1500 feet, middle trap is about 4000 feet and lower trap is about 500 feet. Deccan Trap is rest over lametta and bark beds of upper Cretaceous. The lower trap, they are of They are of Narmada and part of Madhya Pradesh, Narmada and part of Madhya Pradesh. The lava with ash beds and fossiliferous intertrapians are numerous. In middle traps, these are of Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. The lavas and ash beds form thickest portion. It contains no fossiliferous intertrapians. And upper traps, these are of Bombay and Gujarat. The lava flows contain numerous ash beds. The sedimentary intertrapian beds of Bombay contains vertebrate fossils and few mollusca, physa, frog, etc. etc. The Deccan trap is present below the nummulitic limestones of Eocene age. This is about stratigraphy of Deccan trap. Intertrapian beds at short interval between successive lava flows. They occurs at some places. The sedimentary beds of lacustrine and fluviatile origin. These are called intertrapian beds. They have very small vertical and horizontal extent. They are formed on the irregularities of the surface during the erupting intervals. The depression and irregularities were formed when the lava flows was subjected to denudation during the erupting interval. These were later filled by water, forming small lakes which become the sites for deposition of sediments. Thus formed these sedimentary beds, which were later trapped in between two flows. Are named as intertrapian beds. Intertrapian trap झालेले. They are fossiliferous and valuable because they have preserved the history of this period between two successive eruptions. It has also preserved the record of animals and plants which migrated towards these places during the quarter periods. Usually, these beds are 3 to 10 feet thick and not more than 3 to 4 miles in later extent. They are fairly distributed in upper and lower traps. The rocks comprising these beds are black and cherry, containing impure limestone, volcanic dust, clay, etc. Many plant remains and freshwater mollusca shells can be traced in that intertrapian, along with insects, Cretaceous remains of fishes, frog, tortoise, etc. The most common and characteristic fossils of the intertrapian is Physa. The flora that is found in it is rich in palm and numerous stems, leaves and fruits are also found. The intertrapian are exposed at Worli and Malabar Hills in Mumbai. Tell about age of the earth or age of the traps. No conclusive interval evidence in the trap is found regarding their age. The intertrapian fossils do not tell us exactly the age of the beds in which they are found. Therefore, the age of the traps has to be established by the external evidences furnished by the overlying and underlying marine and estuarian beds. The eruption is definitely after the formation of bark beds and lamita series because the trap overlies these Cretaceous beds a place along the western coast, the Deccan traps are overlain by nummulitic beds at Surat and Broch, at Rajahandri, on the Godavari Delta. Distinct outlier of the traps occurs as resting on the top of the marine Cretaceous sandstone. The recent examination by Professor Sohani concerning the rich fossils flora from the base of the trap has led him to the conclusion that the traps are of early tertiary age. Thus, from the external evidences, it is quite clear that Deccan trap cannot be older than Cretaceous, while from internal evidences they cannot be younger than Eocene. Therefore, the age of the trap is between Upper Cretaceous to Eocene. Age of the trap. Then, economics. The basalts are largely used as road metals and as building material. They yield beautiful agates and amethyst, which are used as ornamental stones. Its vesicular nature serve as a good aquifer for underground water. This is about Deccan trap. डेक्कन ट्रॅप, त्यालाच आपण दख्खनचं पठार देखील म्हणतो. डेक्कन ट्रॅप इज divided into 3: lower trap, middle trap and upper trap. Basically, Deccan trap is covered by black stone, it is basalt, and the mineral composition of basalt is plagioclase, agate, olivine and mafic minerals. Its age is about Upper Cretaceous to Eocene. It is formed by a fissure type of eruption. The lava which comes out to fissure and spreads over it and forms a different lava flows. So, Deccan Plateau पठार सुद्धा म्हटलं जातं येतं, त्यामुळेच दख्खनचं पठार, त्याच पठारावर आपण सुद्धा राहतोय. सो आपल्याला माहीत असलं पाहिजे दख्खनच्या पठारावर कोणता रॉक असतो. तर रॉक म्हटलं की बेसाल्ट. बेसाल्टमध्ये कोणते मिनरल्स सापडतात म्हटलं की प्लॅजिओक्लेज, अगाइट, ओलिव्हिन अँड मॅफिक मिनरल्स. हे देखील आपल्याला जनरल माहिती हवं असते. एज ऑफ ट्रॅप अप्पर क्रिटेशियस टू इओसिन रेंजमध्ये दाखवलेलं आहे या ठिकाणी. कारण का आता इरप्शन ज्यावेळी झालं, फिशर टाईप ऑफ इरप्शन झालं, त्यामधून बेसिक लावा बाहेर आला. बेसिक लावा बाहेर आल्यामुळे तो स्प्रेड झाला. या ठिकाणी हिल्स वगैरे किंवा पर्वत तयार झालेले नाही. आपल्याला जे पर्वत दिसत आहेत ते सगळे डेनुडेन माउंटन आहेत. इरोजन होऊन तयार झालेले पर्वत आहेत. या ठिकाणी आपल्याला सह्याद्रीच्या पर्वतरांगा ज्या दिसतात त्या सगळ्या सह्याद्रीच्या पर्वतरांगा ह्या इरोजन होऊन तयार झालेल्या आहेत, म्हणून त्यांना डेनुडेड माउंटन सुद्धा म्हटलं जातं. नंतर इकॉनॉमिक्स यामध्ये जर आपल्याला बघायला गेलं तर दख्खनच्या पठारामध्ये सापडणारा जो मेन रॉक आहे तो बेसाल्ट आहे. त्याच्या इंजिनिअरिंग प्रॉपर्टीजवरून तो रोड मेटल म्हणून यूज केला जातो मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये. सेकंडरी मिनरल बेसाल्टमध्ये जे सापडतात ते म्हणजे अमेथिस्ट आहे, अगाइट आहे. अमेथिस्ट आणि अगाइट हे दिसायला एकदम मस्त असल्यामुळे ते ऑर्नामेंटल स्टोन म्हणून यूज केले जातात. सो दिस इज अबाउट डेक्कन ट्रॅप और किंवा दख्खनचं पठार. जर कुणाला काही शंका असतील तर त्या कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये विचारायला विसरू नका. आणि Those who are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching. Thank you very much.